we know the German market best. Looking at Berlin, probably over the last 10-15 years, we have seen a city evolving there. It was a world city before the war, and now it's sort of growing back to one of the major cities in the world. And absolutely spot in the center of that is Potsdamer Platz, which was basically a flat. It was before the war. Sorry to mention again. It was like one of the liveliest places in Europe. Had the first traffic light in Europe, and then it was basically flattened. The wall came straight through it, and now it's sort of bringing Berlin back together. And Brookfield just bought 1.3 billion or 1.4 billion, a big part of that. And I think that development being built and now sort of being stabilized in a long-term investor's hands, I think that's a very good deal.
Okay, great, thank you. Wasn't what I was expecting, but that's good. Christiane?
I totally agree with Felix. So I also wanted to mention the Potsdamer Platz transaction. I think it gave a really positive sign for the German real estate investment market, and as you said before, really good recognition of the development Berlin has gone through over the last years, over the last decade.
Okay, good. You?
From my perspective, I refer to retail, and might have been the acquisition of MFI by Breuer Weinberg, and within 1 year they doubled the equity, and then they got rid of it again and sold it to Uni by Rodamco. And the success story in fact continued, because with the acquisition of MFI they acquired a significant shopping center portfolio, and in the very end 50% stake of Zentro Oberhausen, which is the most dominant shopping center in Germany.
Great, thank you. Karsten?
Well, funny that Potsdamer Platz was mentioned, because my business partner underwrote it back in the day for SEB when that complex was bought, and everybody said, you guys are completely crazy, the price you're buying it for, and you will lose money in any case. But they haven't lost money in the end, right, because they sold the Hyatt Hotel off before, etc. So it was a good one. I mean, there are many good deals with a lot of brave parties that went in as first movers, a lot of parties that invested between 2000, or not a lot, a few that invested between 2008 and 2012 and made a lot of money. And I just want to mention one party maybe that we have dealt with a lot over the last 1 or 2 years, that is Orion Capital, that bought the Odin portfolio. Office, we deal a lot with office, and it was a widely marketed process, and everybody when they bought it from Credit Suisse said, the pricing you applied is a bit crazy, right? We would bid 50, 100 million less, and the development of the last 6 months has shown that they did it right? They sold a few of their core assets in Berlin at incredible prices, and they kind of were ballsy, and it paid off at the end of the day.
Okay, good. Thank you.